caused this high, because this area here caused the break of the trend, and there's only one place it's going when it's dropping back down, the area that caused the high, which was here. This area here comes down, tests this. This was a good buying area. We move back up, then this is another good selling area. And this is very good selling area because we're going with the likelihood of the higher time frame zones to sell in the market. So that's why we're selling here at the minute, this week. Okay, next we'll go to USD Swiss franc, and we'll just clear everything off the charts.
Oh, you don't want it there?
No, I'm just showing you again how it works on another asset.
Yeah.
And then I'll show you, I'll get you to do a couple after. Okay, so first thing, what do we do in the monthly?
We look our top and our bottom.
Yeah, and what do we draw?
And then we draw a rectangle box from...
No, what's the first thing we did?
We put markers in.
Yeah,
for the top and the bottom.
What markers?
Hang on, let me, is this zoomed out enough? Yes.
Yep.
Does it go any further? No, it doesn't. Yeah, that's it. Oh, you're controlling it, I can't.
Yeah.
Okay. And then you took this line here.
What do we get? What do we do? What do we get?
We did it, the top, like we do a top line here across. Sorry, what happened there?
What tool do we use?
Say that again? That's what I'm trying to work out. I think it was this line here, this little line here I'm pointing at.
You shouldn't, I can't see what you're pointing at because I'm sharing my screen. So what's the first thing I did when we went to the first chart? We went to the monthly chart, and what did we use? Where do we go from?
I thought we marked the top and the bottom. That's what I remembered.
What did we do? What did we use? What did we? What?
You used some tools. You were going pretty fast, and I'm trying to, you know.
Okay, yeah, that's okay. If I'm going fast,
it's not that I wasn't paying attention.
Just tell me to slow down if I'm going too fast.
Yeah.
We get the Fibonacci.
No, that's all right. Yeah, because I don't.
We get the Fibonacci tool. We go from the highest price has ever been.
Right.
And we go to the lowest price has ever been.
That's what it was. Yeah.
And we draw our markers. We go from the bottom.
That's afterwards the markers came. That's right.
This is
Where did you get the markers from? Okay, so do the Fibonacci.
It's just a line, Chris. It's just a line.
Yeah.
Going across, so we're just marking it. Okay. We go from the highest point, the lowest point. We mark our 50 area, 50 line.
Yep.
We mark our 25%.
25. And then we do 75.
We'll get another 50, or get another Fibonacci and go from the 50 line up to the top.
And you get the 25 there.
No, you get the 50.
Oh, you get the 50 there. Yeah.
Okay, and then we just delete them.
Yeah.
These are just four key trading zones. Okay. And you can see how many years the price is just hanging around this area here in this 25. It's just been hanging around that area since 2011. Yeah, it's
no, 15. Yeah.
These are key areas in the chart we look at. These are this breaks out, you're likely heading back up towards this 50 area.
Right.
Okay, and then
that's how you know when it's breaking out. If it leaves...
it's not breaking out. These are just key.
Right. No,
it's not nothing about knowing and things are breaking out. When it does move up, it's likely to head up to the 50% area. And when it starts moving up out of here, it's likely to head up to the 25 and then right up to the new all-time high. So these are just key areas that you like to have marked in your chart. On the monthly chart, so you know it's just key trading zones. So next thing we do, we'll start marking our zones. Okay, we'll start from the bottom. This leg, we'll go from the top down. Okay, we've got this area up here at the top.
Yeah.
We'll draw it across. Then we need to just scroll down. This area create this low. Back up. This area here create this low. So this is an area here. Just tell me if I'm going too fast.
No. I'm listening.
Okay, then we draw that zone in there. This area here caused this new low. Yeah.
But that little side bit there. No, I think it
didn't really rally this area. This swing high caused this new swing low. Swing high, swing low. It's a good trading zone. There's a lot of selling pressure there. So that means
Mm-hmm.
when there's a lot of selling pressure, especially on these higher time frame charts, that's telling you it's not retail selling, it's institutional selling.
Mm-hmm.
That's why we trade these. This is telling you there's been institutions have traded that price before, and they're likely to trade at it again because there's a whole
And
lot.
what causes them to trade? Because that's what they.
That's where they're looking to trade. That's where they've traded
Yeah.
before. There's a huge sell-off before there. That'd be a good
Mm-hmm.
area for them to sell at again. That's where
Mm-hmm.
you're going
Mm-hmm.
to get a reaction at these areas. That's
Yeah.
why. You can see price. There's no way a retail trader with even a $30,000, $100,000 account could
Mm.
cause this move. This is
No.
trillions, trillions
Yes.
dropping,
Yes. Yeah. Ah. Right. Right. Right.
moving.
Right. Right. Now what you're saying now.
Yeah. Okay. And there's only people. There's only hedge funds, not even hedge funds, insurance funds, pension funds, uh, and banks that can cause these kind of moves. So that's where we're looking to
And
trade.
what do they do them for? To just make money?
Yeah, make
Yeah.
money. Yeah, hedge their positions or make money over time,
Mm-hmm.
depending on how the currency's doing, how the economy's doing.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you can see the dollar was very high before
Mm-hmm.
this. 2001 was the dot-com bubble.
Right.
Yeah, and then 2008 the dollar crashed again. 2008 to 2010 against the Swiss franc. The reason that there was because a lot of uncertainty in the world. The Swiss franc's a safe haven currency, and
Mm-hmm.
when the markets are in turmoil, the Swiss franc will likely increase in value.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Okay, so the next zone's here. See, we've got a pause in the market here. It's the smaller zone. We'll just zoom in. Okay, you can see the smaller zone here. This was the actual zone here
Mm-hmm.
that caused the low. Really, really small tight zone that I'm looking at there. Okay, I'm just looking for key swings on this market here too. You got another one here.
That's right. Yeah. That one I saw.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh, this one was kind of taken out by this one,
Mm-hmm.
and next real one here because these aren't really zones. Next one here would be here. See it here?
Yeah.
This
Yeah.
these
Yeah.
ones here didn't take out this low. You're looking for
Yeah.
this
Yeah.
is the
Yeah.
last low. So I'm looking for
Mm-hmm.
the area that actually took out this low, which is kind of around about here.
Mm-hmm.
It comes back down. Yes, this.
Yeah.
I'm looking at, and now I'm looking for the area that took out this
Support.
low.
You're looking for support now, or still
No,
resistance?
I'm looking for the sell zone. So I'm looking for selling pressure that took out. See this low here?
Yes.
I'm looking for the zone that took out that low.
Mm-hmm.
So can you pinpoint it, or just tell me where to move my cursor, or the area that actually took out that low?
To the top of the wick.
No, which swing high to swing low was the area that caused this break of this low. You can see this one here took out this one.
Mm-hmm.
This one here took out this low.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So where is the swing high that took out this low?
Here.
Tell me where to move my mouse so I know.
To the right.
Yeah. So tell me where to go.
To the up.
Yeah. Just tell me to keep going. Up, down, right.
No, you got to go up.
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 Okay.
Yeah. To the left. To the right. To the right.
Up.
No, down. This is so crazy. Yeah.
Yeah.
To the left. There.
No, that's. I'm looking for selling pressure, Chris.
Oh, selling pressure.
This area here took out this low. This area here took
Oh,
out.
and then it's up here.
Where? Tell me where to go.
Yeah, go up.
Yeah.
Yeah, further. There. Just to the left. Yeah,
No.
there.
Now look at that again. This low. Did this area here take out this low?
Yes.
So this area here took out this low.
Yes.
You sure?
Well, it went all the way up.
This area here, did it create a new low here? This,
I always go blank when it goes like
sorry,
this.
sorry, I hope just saying.
I don't know
Okay,
what-
this you're saying
I
this
had it
area, this,
before, and now it's like I don't know. You just gone like boom.
yeah,
So
you're saying this area here took out
suddenly,
this,
I don't know what I'm looking at.
yeah. So this, you said this area here took out this low. Right, look at it again. Did this area here cause a new low? Did this area cause the close that took out this low?
Yes.
It did. So you sure?
I don't know. I don't know what I'm saying now. I don't even know what I'm looking for now.
Okay, so I'll
I
explain it
had it
here.
before,
Right.
and
Okay,
now like it's all gone.
I'll explain here on the way back down. Okay, just close attention. Okay,
Yeah.
you have this swing low here, yeah,
Yes.
and then this swing high. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
this zone here, this is where the selling pressure started, and it
Mm-hmm.
dropped right down and created this new swing low, and it took out this, it eliminated this low.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Next, so this is the next low that needs to be taken out for price to move down. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So this zone, this small zone here, what happened? Price
Drop
eliminated
further.
this zone, comes down and creates this new swing low, and then
Mm-hmm.
creates this swing high. Then this zone here where selling pressure started took out this low.
Yes.